Lecture 1, Introduction to Tuberculosis. Namaskar. Welcome to our Tuberculosis Awareness Series. I am Dr. Rajendra Nanavre, pulmonologist, Mumbai, Maharashtra. And over the next few weeks, we will together understand tuberculosis, TB, a disease that is old yet still a major health challenge in our world today. Let's start this important journey. So, what is tuberculosis? Tuberculosis or TB is a serious infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, that's a bacteria, and it most often affects lung, that is 80%, but can impact other part of the body too, that is called extrapulmonary, like spine, brain and kidney. Tuberculosis is a preventable disease and curable, yet millions suffers worldwide. So, a brief history of tuberculosis. TB has been known to humanity for thousands of years, and even ancient Egyptian mummies shows the evidence of tuberculosis. In the 19th century, TB was called the White Plague in Europe due to its deadly impact. In 1882, Sir Robert Koch discovered the TB bacteria, which opened the door for the diagnosis and treatment. Since then, scientific advances have saved millions of lives, but the fight is not over. So, let's talk about the current statistic in India and globally. Worldwide, TB kills about 1.3 million people every year. WHO 2023 report. India carries the highest burden with over 25% of the world's TB cases. Every day, thousands are newly diagnosed and many deaths could be prevented with awareness and timely treatment. Government initiative like the TB Mukt Bharat Abhiyan aim to eliminate TB from the India by 2025. Why TB awareness matters? TB is a curable, but lack of awareness leads to delay in diagnosis and treatment. Social stigma, misformation, misinformation and neglect worsen the situation. By spreading correct information, we can save lives, support patients, and protect communities. Each one of has a role to play in ending TB. So, in a closing remark, in the coming videos, we will dive deeper into how TB spread, how to recognize it early, how it is treated, and how we can protect ourselves and our loved one. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Together, let's work toward a TB-free world. TB हारेगा, देश जीतेगा. Thank you.